$250. Yep, in about 2 trades. Anyways, it's been 14 days on this account. We back up to where I want to open the camera to. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, the second entry that's higher, I had no legit reason for entering it there. Maybe I could have entered at second trade lower here when it came down here. We got that one, got this, got that one right there. I have a small account that I'm like trying, a small account that I'm trying to grow, trying to prove to the beginners group that it's possible to still deposit, small amounts and still trade and let it compound over time. And this is my other personal account there. And it would really suck if this price, should choose to come back from where it is now and then go to my stop loss. Like it would honestly really suck. And I shouldn't be saying it out loud because those who trade, y'all know this. Alright, welcome back to another video. So I got some stuff to tell y'all. It's for y'all is just the next video, probably the next day or two. But for me, it's been about a week since I last got a chance to record. I've been trading still, but I just didn't get a chance to record it, So there's a couple things that I actually gotta tell you guys just so you could be up to speed. The last video that you guys saw, the account was up in phase 1. I think it was like 4.8% or something like that. And I had some good trades and some bad trades after that. Long story short, I am about like 2-point-something% up in profit, still on phase 1, but I haven't really been trading since the last video to now. I've only placed 2 trades. That was yesterday and on Tuesday. They didn't go as well. That's why I'm back down to just 2%. I was risking a little bit more than 1% for each of the 2 days, and it didn't go as planned. Regardless, we still in the game. I'm not making the same mistakes as I made last try at this challenge phase thing. But yeah, I'm not sure if I showed you guys this one, but yeah, it was the last there. I believe you guys saw this one, yeah, where I exited the trade a little bit before take profit and then it went for stop loss. This one here was on Tuesday where so I took 3 trades this week. Okay, so I lost one on Monday, won one on Tuesday, and lost one yesterday. But the 2 L's of the week, yeah, they were a bit more than the 1 win. So anyways, that's how it is. You win some, you lose some. As long as risk is managed, then you can stay in the game. And that's the main point, staying in the game until you see the results. Anyhow, the next thing that I wanted to tell you is, remember the noise that used to be in almost every one of my videos? Like I would have a constant background noise. It would change sound, but that is no longer me. I managed to get rid of that. But yeah, the annoying sound in the background, which was like one of the main reasons why I couldn't get to video for most of the days in last week. Like it just got to the point where something had to be done. So yeah, that's dealt with. And I could say I got an upgrade from a computer, so content should be much more frequent. It should be much more recent as well, rather than now I would be releasing a video that I recorded last week. The video that I record today, you're more than likely to see it tomorrow or the next day. So that's the other thing that I also wanted to mention. I'm gonna be uploading at least every 2 days, back again, going back onto the rhythm. Things are back on track. So yeah, anyways, so we are here and it is Friday. I was in this trade yesterday, sent it out to the community. We held it overnight, but it hit stop loss like 1:30 this morning or whatever. Hey, still very reduced risk. Let me just show y'all the account where it's at right now. 2.52%, 151 in profit. I was up literally at $400, so I lost this $250. Yep, in about 2 trades. Anyways, it's been 14 days on this account. Don't want to let this one be, what was the last one, 3 months. Going, still take my time, going use reduced risk and everything, but I ain't looking for debt on phase 1 for a whole 3 months. Journaled everything. I guess there's not that much more for me to go through with you guys. I guess once I get a trade opportunity today, back up the camera, give you the usual run through before we enter the trade, while we're in the trade, and the results of it. Hopefully we get to get a complete trade today and we'll have to continue the video next week, but if then, no see neither. And before I actually continue the video, go to the part, if you're new around here, don't forget while you're watching, give your boy a like or hit the subscribe button, subscribe, and yeah, stick around for more content that's gonna be very frequent from now on. Trust, yeah. So we're back, and a lot happened. I sent out this buy limit to the community, but price never actually got to that point. It was a 4-hour fair value gap. I was hoping the price would retrace into before going higher, but it ended up hitting the TP for that trade. So you know me, point A to point B trading. So I don't think that if I do enter a trade, it would still go then. It would still go to where I think it's gonna go. For right now though, I sent out another trade to the community and fucking explaining I am now losing the profit that I was just up. Wow, nice. This is the third thing I was supposed to tell you about. I was like gonna tell you when we went okay just now, but sacrifices man. It's good to document these things. Anyways, I got the first entry. It's just one long position. I just decided to add a second position on it. I honestly don't have any like clear target in mind. I'm being honest with you, right? I'm in this trade. I sent it out to the group and I sent it with a stop loss, but I said TP open. You know, I have to do some more analyzing to maybe get a clear target, but that's the parameters of the trade. I'm going to show you all in a minute. Let me do the analyzing right here. So everything for me is based off history. I just use price action, that's it. So this right here was the target I was aiming for right there, 19,492. But since price already touched there, it's possible that we see some movement up to 19,544. Let me just, so I can get some more definition on these candles. Okay, so 19,536 or 19,445. It's possible that price might get to this area. Does it have the strength to do so? Well, we took liquidity here, and this took lows all the way up yesterday at 4:05 p.m. So yeah, liquidity was swept to the downside, and we already took the high at 19,484. 485, and then the next target would be 535 or 545 or 36 and 545. Okay, and should price not hold here, doing a live analysis so I could see how I come to my conclusion sometime. You know, it's possible that we shoot past this fair value gap and all this price action right here, all these fair value gaps, this high, this other high right here, and if we do so, then we might make a relatively equal high. So the furthest I would aim 19,600, maybe 19,599. Yeah, so that's 100 pips away, more or less, more than 6 pips away. I told everyone to delete this first order, so let me just go ahead and do the same so I don't confuse you guys. I'm gonna keep this alert here for the 4-hour fair value gap. On the 15-minute, it looks pretty bullish to me. I like the volume bars relative to the candles. I like the price action. I like basically how it's looking. So let's just keep observing this price, and I'll come back in and give you guys that update once we get from, you know, where we are to where we want to be, point A to point B. Oh yeah, we back up to where I already want to open the camera to. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, the second entry that's higher, I had no legit reason for entering it there. Maybe I could have entered a second trade lower here when it came down here, but it happened so fast coming down here that couldn't catch it. Like, this was a buy limit, but this was opened manually, so by time this buy limit got triggered, price already back up here, so I didn't have a chance to open it anywhere lower, and we weren't too far away, and it's also reduced risk. I'm risking less than 1% this time, no, less than 0.5%, so in total for the 2 trades. So let's see how it goes. You know, it's Friday, so that's why, you know, reduced risk is a plus. And you see what's going on. Price doing some madness. So let me see what. Let me just love it. I'm gonna come back in and give you all the update later on. So we haven't fully gotten to where I thought price would go, but I thought I should open the camera and come and give you guys an update on what the fudge price just did. I'm still in both of these trades, but bro, I just look at this thing like, what fudge? It was like that much up in profit, and then this 5-minute candle just flush all the way down. So now I'm gonna close, right? I'm gonna leave it open because, you know, point A to point B, I didn't tell anyone to bring stop loss to break even, which is, you know, a benefit now in hindsight. But yeah, we're still in this one, still in it on all the other accounts as well. So just watch it, really enjoy. Just can't really get much I can do besides watch. I am an observer in, you know, this price. So we got that one, got this, got that one right there. I have a small account that I'm like a small account that I'm trying to grow, trying to prove to the beginners group that it's possible to still deposit, you know, small amounts and still trade and let it compound over time. And this is my other personal account there. So yeah, I'm in this one and watching it to see how it goes. Still, I was already here before, and you know, I was in even more profit, but yeah, we had that little retracement and our price seems to be continuing in our direction. So it does. Don't think I would like to see another drop, but hey, price could do what it want. At the end of the day, you know, price gonna be price. But I just thought I should give you a little update that, you know, this happened and just gonna come back in and check in with y'all. Hopefully in a couple of minutes once we get a bit. Alright, we're back again, back to previous levels, and I can be honest with y'all, this is one of the most choppiest trades I hold so far for the year, and we didn't September. I think if it just, you know, close that exact, because it's not that we at all-time highs or anything, but I have like no clear signs in price action, you know, it's just pure chopping. It's just up and down, everything getting closed, everything getting full. Liquidity just keep getting taken, you know, and it's not a clear push in a direction, it's just liquidity sweep, I'm back in the other direction. And honestly, before I open the camera, I didn't think about closing. Oh, open the camera, I still thinking about closing, because like at what point is it going to go to and when is it going to get there? Because clearly it didn't want to do that now. Oh boy, oh boy, boy. And it would really suck if this price, you know, should choose to come back from where it is now and then go to my stop loss. Like it would honestly really suck. And I shouldn't be saying it out loud because those who trade, y'all know this somehow is like these fucking people listening to you. But man, I just don't know. Man, the 5 minute right now is possible that it comes up to maybe 19,536. And I could consider closing it there. I could consider closing it right now right there, because there ain't really no much like difference, you know. It's not that missing out a separate $50, $100 in profit. It'd be like $80. I don't know, man. I'm gonna keep it here and come back from here. This and it's Friday, but that's why like I don't like holding trades into the afternoon on Friday. But in this one, let me see. Alright, so finally back 5 minutes after 1 in the afternoon, and RTP got hit eventually. But here's the thing about that. I stepped away from the computer and I was only able to analyze on my phone. I started looking a little bit too iffy around this area right here. So somewhere in this zone when price got back above 500, but it was starting to like drop again, as I saw that alright, we took this high, this movement here, then we had this candle breaking this high again, and then we had a push that was looking like it was gonna break here, and just before it got down there like somewhere around here on this candle closed, and I sent out to the community that I would close in the trade as well. So I got out early and then price, you know, pull up. I'd say it's a win, yeah, but at the same time, like I don't feel as good as I should. Obviously because I didn't get full TP, but more so because I wasn't disciplined. Like if I'm being honest, I can't remember the last time I held it for full. It's not that the analysis is wrong or anything, or I don't know what to do. I understand what I need to do. I understand I've been doing it, but for some reason I just haven't held a trade for full TP. Regardless, we got this one. The account is now at 5,195. Yeah, 5,195. And yeah, see, I got out like a word come down. Price went all the way up. I don't know why this price looks so different here. You see right now where the price is saying is 19,530, but when I hover the mouse it's 19,506. So these prices ain't matching. But on MT5 it was actually above 500. Where right now has currently the price is at 539. But the same 527. Of course, I ain't have a different price because of different brokers or, you know, persons provide service to MT5. But regardless, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. I just don't feel as good as I should be. I might possibly have another entry as I'm seeing it right now while I'm talking to y'all. But it's Friday. It's 8 minutes after 1 in the afternoon. This price been messing around all day, so I don't know, man. I don't know. I might end on that trade. If I do, I'll come back in and catch you with y'all. But if not, then I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. That's gonna be Monday. Probably gonna see this before then. So until then, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.